Hi guys, welcome to the latest update on Coin Airdrop. This update concerns the Coin eligibility requirement or the Coin eligibility criteria. If you didn't meet the criteria before now, I would advise you to go and check again because there's a new update on Coin. Coin just released a new update concerning that eligibility requirement. Let me scroll down now to show you guys. You guys can see it right there. It says eligibility status update. That means the eligibility criteria has been updated. You can see what's written there. It says mates, we have re-evaluated airdrop criteria for some accounts. Your eligibility might have changed. So guys, what this means is that if you previously checked and you found out that you weren't eligible, you have to go and check again. Checking again, you might be shocked to find out that you're now eligible. You can see what's written there. They said if you checked once and saw not eligible, it's time to check again. This would be your game changer. So guys, what this means is that they've actually changed their eligibility criteria. Maybe they saw that most persons didn't meet up with the eligibility criteria, so they've decided to maybe slash it down, or maybe some accounts that actually did some investments, like maybe the W Galaxy, or maybe bought a lot of W keys. Maybe they are giving them a second chance to actually get eligible. And I believe the eligibility criteria for this W coin was almost too much. You get, they had W keys, they had W so many stuffs, inviting 3 friends and every other thing. So I believe maybe they've slashed it out for some accounts according to what they've said here. So guys, what I would advise you to go and check. You might be eligible. You might be eligible this time around. So, and I'm also thinking that maybe these people want our money. They want our ton. They want our Telegram, because for you to actually claim your airdrop, you still have to use your ton or your Telegram stars. I believe maybe they've seen that so many persons are not actually turning in or doing the claiming. That's why they want to give chances to similar persons to come in so that they can actually claim their airdrop. That's what I'm thinking. And also, for me not to be lopsided in my thinking, it might also be an avenue for them to bring more people in, like make people to actually get involved. It's not always good to be pessimistic. Sometimes you have to be optimistic. Maybe they want more people to come in and actually receive their reward for participating. You get. So guys, this is the latest update. And also, let me go upwards now. You're going to see what is there. It says you have just 3 days. The claiming was everything was supposed to end today. The claiming was supposed to end today, which is the 14th, right? I think the 14th, yeah. But they added more 3 days for those who have not claimed, because some persons are not yet aware. Some persons are being pessimistic about it. Some persons are being hesitant. So they added more 3 days to give them the chance to change their mind. So guys, this is the updates. So guys, I have to end this video. So if you checked before and you saw not eligible, go and check again. You might be lucky. So guys, see you in our next upload.